And I'm like taking a sneak peek. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek of the winter windows. So today is a planning day. I have to work on like a TBA, TBD placement map for our upcoming floor set. They kind of give us a guideline and we go based on our business, our traffic, and our inventory. So I'm kind of setting that up right now and putting it into a document so it can be approved, and then we can get forward with making moves. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Typically, before every floor set, we're sent what's called a bubble map, which is an example of where to place what personalities, be it focally or non-focally, in our store. And then it's up to us to make a plan that's specific to our store's layout, according to our inventory and our selling metrics and our traffic trends. What's up, beautiful people? I'm back in the store trying to complete our floor set, which is actually due this week. So we're a little behind schedule. One of the things that we have to deal with is like coverage. So if someone calls out or payroll hours are low, then we have to make adjustments. And a lot of the days that I was scheduled to work on my projects, I had to cover the sales floor. So doing a little bit of a catch up right now, but stripping the walls and building them back up right now. And then this coming week is going to be our window installation, which I'm managing and overseeing, and not so much as in the actual windows this time. So I'll get to show y'all some of that. But for now, I'm about to be in this store getting some stuff done. I don't know what I showed so far, but if I didn't show anything, I'm going to insert some clips of the other days that I've been in the store doing some work and getting the stuff set up.
Like solid front tops with pencil, and then cropped and graphics with like somewhere between flirty and straight.
On this day, I was able to go to one of our sister locations and help with their floor set. And shortly after, I went right back to my store to continue our floor set. To be able to do this, our hours of visual work is usually starting at 5 or 6 a.m. so that we have no distractions from customers and we're able to tear up the store and get it back to perfection before we even open.
I think a lot of you probably have seen, or at least have a glimpse of, the overall pre-Christmas floor plan.
I'm leaving work now. I had to come back. I always have to come back, y'all, to send images from our floor set. And I'm like taking a sneak peek. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek of the winter windows that was started this morning. I told y'all I'm spearheading everything and I'm overseeing, but I'm not actually doing the windows this time. So it's a big, this honestly has so much to do that I'm grateful. The fall windows, when I was like not as hands-on, I was feeling some kind of way, but this time I'm like, fine, cool, let me plan out every detail and y'all take over. So I don't mind it at all. Boxes of stuffing that's gonna act as snow, We have the actual like loose snow here, glitter for snow, spray adhesive for snow, and then these are scarves that are gonna go in on snowmen in the window. What else do we have? More snow, and more snow, and more snow. These little wood blocks are like gonna be the anchors for all of the silhouettes that are going into the floor, so that they can stand up and not like fall over. Not only are visual merchandisers in charge of what the guest sees, but also what they smell. These are our new Christmas scents being installed. What is up, y'all? So I'm pretty much done with my second floor set. I'll show y'all a little bit of what I got completed. There are some non-emergent changes that I need to make that I don't know if I'm gonna get to do it how I want to do it. I might just have to give it a quick little facelift, make it cute enough for pictures, and keep it at that. But I'll show y'all what I worked on. So usually when I need something folded, hung, or placed on the floor, I like sample it out so that someone can come behind me and place it on the table or in the wall how I envisioned it. And then that frees me up so I can move on to the next thing. So I'll show y'all what I mean. So these pants are gonna lay across the table like so. Of course, a lot neater than that because they're still on the hangers. But I usually will just place it like this, and then I'll have someone else come behind me and they would perfect it, make sure it's sized, make sure it's presented beautifully, and then I can move on to my next project. Also, these are like our little holiday masks. I think I showed them earlier in the vlog. But yeah, it's so hard to work with the store being open and this go round. I pretty much had to work with the store being open. I mean, I can do it. I'm a miracle worker, so I got majority of the store done. I'm just working on my last little part. Have to take pictures. My pictures are gonna be late. This is the first time that they gave us an actual time to have them submitted by. Usually it's like end of day. So this is kind of new and different. It's already past the due date. The due time. So they're gonna be submitted end of day because I'm the only store leader here. And yeah, so gotta do what you gotta do. Sometimes when doing a floor set, you'll get a shop like this where you have new product that's completely different than the product that's already there. When this happens, I try to create either a destination area, or in this case, this shop became a dress shop, or you can do a color story within the shop. Here, I was able to do both merchandising styles. editing the pictures, choosing editing, and then uploading them to the slow computer, and then figuring out where to place them, because they send us like this pre-made PowerPoint, and we just plug the pictures in. It sounds simple, but it takes work. Oh my gosh, that was the longest process. I always swear that I'm gonna leave early, but pictures take so long. Oh my gosh, like taking the pictures, editing the pictures, sending the pictures to the store, putting the pictures into the PowerPoint, putting the pictures into a document that's that's small enough to be sent without distorting the images, because they don't have a Dropbox account or anything like that, so we have to send everything via email. So it's a lot, and like I can't send more than 5 pictures at a time, so I sent 30 pictures, 5 pictures at a time. But I'm off, and that's Christmas floor set. I'm gonna pop some pictures and images in here so y'all can see, but it's been a process.